So welcome back, guys. I'm going to be teaching us how to work with chat in this video, but to save us some time, I already have a table. I know by now you should be able to draw a table like this, and just to apply color, just to show you why I have different background color. You can actually achieve that by using this option. Okay, that's that. You can put any color you like. So today I'm just going to be going straight to chat, adding chat. Now there are different types of chat that you may want to add to your document. We have the column chart, the line chart, we have the pie chart, we have the bar chart, and then today I'm just going to illustrate the training on chat using the number of COVID cases in the southwest Nigeria. Okay, now chat should be work done in Excel. Okay, but there are times that you may probably want to do one or two things in Microsoft Word that has to do with chat, but my advice is to do most of your chat work in Excel, then you import back to Word. Nevertheless, Microsoft has a plugin which is Excel, so immediately you click on add chat, it's going to pop up a Microsoft Word window where which you can actually edit your chart. Okay, so now that we have this chart, so how do we edit this chart to what we actually want? Okay, so you remember that a chart has x-axis and has y-axis. Okay, now if you look at this chart, you will see that this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. The x-axis is currently showing categories, okay, different categories of what we have. So, and in this table we have three main categories, meaning that the fourth categories I don't need it, so I'm just going to right click on the fourth category and then click delete. Okay, then we have the confirmed cases, then we have the different states. So we have the confirmed cases as the category 1, confirmed COVID cases as category 1. Okay, I'm just going to adjust this a little bit. Okay, let's just adjust this here again. Confirmed cases. Then we have the recovered. Then we have the number of deaths. Okay, then the series we have in Oyo State, Oyo, Ogun, Lagos. Okay, then what you will notice is that you will see that there is tiny purple stuff here, which shows that this category, this Excel will only read data that are here. So if I should, it's going to automatically extend the data that I have. So I'm just going to click on it and extend. So if I should, so I will click on this to extend it. So I'll then type Oshun. Then click on this to extend again, type Ekiti. Then click on this to exit and type Ondo. So now we have like 6 states, and then in Oyo we have 17 confirmed cases, and then recovered we have 5, and then deaths we have 1. In Ogun State we have 29 confirmed cases, we have 5 recovery, and then we have 1 death. In Lagos we have 582 confirmed cases, we have 106 deaths, and then we have 106 recovered, and we have 16 deaths. Okay, in Osun State we have 20 confirmed cases, we have 19 recovered, and then we have 0. Okay, deaths. In Ekiti we have 4 confirmed cases, we have 2 recovery, then we have 1 death. Okay, in Ondo State we have 3 confirmed cases, we have 1 recovery, and then we have 0 death. Okay, so meaning that I can actually draw this. Okay, when you are done, just close this and then you come back to your chart. So our chart title is the COVID, this is the title, COVID status in Southwest Nigeria. So I'm just going to Let me just delete this thing disturbing. Okay, I'm just going to drop this down. I need it in another page, so I'm just going to edit it. That is a COVID number of COVID cases, 19 cases in Southwest Nigeria. Okay, so I have that. So this is just like the normal text. You can bold, you can do some highlight, put some text under the stuff, under this. You can change the font color. Okay. Okay, so if you come to design, just like in the case of the smart art, you can actually change how some of this chart appears. So I may want to use this, then maybe change the background, come to format, change some of the background of this. So some different options that you can use. So you can change some of this background, maybe use some that looks like this, okay, or something darker. But just make sure that you have enough contrast in the text. I'm going to change it to black. Just make sure that you have enough contrast in your document, as it's very, very important, just to avoid you may want to ensure that there's enough contrast. So this, let me just change this to white. It's still the same thing as going to format to change anyway. Then I want this font to just reduce the font, change it to maybe Lato. Okay, let me just change it to Lato. Change it to Lato, change the font size. Okay, then this is showing this different color is showing a number of cases in Southwest in Nigeria. So I can I'm just going to change this loose. Okay, yeah, this is better. So I can also change some of these things. I can change this together, and I can change this singly, but I just felt that we want to change this to maybe white, no fill. Then the text, will make the text black, so that we are to a lot. So I can actually do some manipulation to this chart. Okay, so under the design, you can change the color of the chart, the color theme, but I'm not just going to change the color because this color has enough contrast. But you can also there's an option to add element to this chart. This chart is showing the axis, is showing the title, but I want to add some grid lines. Maybe just edit. I may have to add legend. Maybe I don't want the legend, but this is currently having legend. Okay, so I want to add something. So where the legend is located, I want to put it at the right side. Just do a lot of editing into this document, and then under the axis title, maybe you want it to be horizontal, you want it to be at the side, just data labels, none, you want it to be as so different options that you want to choose. That is that about inserting the column graphs. Okay, so and it's something very simple. There's a way you can also edit. When you double click on each of the axes, you can edit the axis. Okay, so if you have under this series option, under this chart option, so that is that about working with line graph. So you can just play around this and this, or just come to more axis option. You come to more axis option. If you come to more axis option, you will be able to have a sidebar here that can help you to adjust some of your